Like I said earlier, client interaction really starts before the photo session. So whenever I'm walking up to their business, maybe they're pulling up to my studio, believe it or not, getting your portrait taken can be super intimidating and anxiety inducing. And the last thing you want to see is someone holding this black lens, eager to take your photo. So really trying to humanize those initial interactions is great to build rapport and trust. A really great way to do that is maybe just sit down and chat for a few minutes. You don't have to jump in and knock out the photos and get out of there. No one's really counting hours like that, and actually taking more time to connect with your client and build trust with them will translate greatly in your photos. In this initial conversation, it's a really great time to start working the shoot around your client. I love building trust by letting them know that I'm going to be guiding them and posing them and coming up with all the ideas. But maybe if there's anything that they really wanted to capture or that they were imagining for this photo shoot, to let me know and I can build that and work that into our time slot. This not only shows your clients that this is a collaborative photo shoot, but it also shows them that you're committed to their vision. Once we're ready to start taking photos, I'm going to start really showing them what that guidance looks like. So I might ask them to come in front of the camera. I might give them some tips about posing before we get started, such as shifting our weight onto one leg or the other on the standing photos really comes up through your shoulders and looks really relaxed. I might talk to them about how important hands are to me and how I'll be very intentional about posing them. And all of this is really going to show them how they're here just to be captured and I'm here to do all the hard work. Throughout the photo session, cueing and open communication are going to be crucial in maintaining trust and maintaining confidence in our clients. So I'm going to do this by really clear and proper cueing techniques. I'll talk about this a lot more in the next module, but basically it's a very specific and intentional way of communicating how we want our clients to pose. Maintaining constant communication is going to be crucial in keeping that confidence level up throughout the shoot. Something really cool about these cueing techniques I'm going to teach you is that we can work affirmations into them very easily. An example might be have a client point their shoulders to the left, chin forward, maybe look behind you like someone called your name, and then look back in camera. Beautiful, I love that. When we give affirmations like that, and especially when they're that natural, you're gonna start having clients light up and give you beautiful and authentic expressions. This intentional interaction before the shoot, during the shoot, and even after the shoot is what's really gonna create a solid foundation for our headshot photography and really elevate us past people who might just have fancy equipment, poses memorized, just have a client come in, snap some photos, and call it a day. In the next module, we're going to build on this foundation and start getting into actual lighting, posing, and those cueing techniques we were talking about so that we really easily hit that $250 headshot session mark.